Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and they're 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch wide. They're 19 inches, and let's make them 12 inches. I got my ratio unlocked, so it won't differ them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit C and E to put them together. Then I'm going to change my nudge factor to, let's change it to 40 inches. And let's nudge these two apart 40 inches. Now, if you look, it's 40.25 minus the 2. And one way you could do it, you could always get out the, if you can't grasp that, you could measure this, and we're at 39.75. So we're going to select both these. And the reason they have two questions, and I'm answering the first one first. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. And I'm going to blend them 159 times because we need 160, but we've already, remember one of them was 0.75. So this way, when we blend it, all the boxes will be touching. So he couldn't get to that point easily. And then he did not like the stair step. It's because they're progressively getting smaller. So what you can do instead of doing that, we can get rid of this one. We can take this and hit the plus key, and now we're just going to blend this. Now they're all the same, but they're not smaller. So what we can do, and I would automatically go up to Object, break the blend apart because it could cause you a problem, Object, Group, and Ungroup. And then we could, so this thing is 19 inches tall, and let's say we wanted to go, let's bring in indexing lines and have it snap to there. And let's say we want it to be, let's set our nudge factor on 3 inches. So I'm going to go up. You know what? I'm going to go twice. I'm going to nudge twice, so it'll be quite a bit smaller, make it a big deal. So that's going to take it down in just a second to from 9 to, or from 19 and minus 12, because we nudged 6 and 6. And so now you've got to select it, go up to Object and Add Perspective. And now we can grab, let's zoom in. We've actually got to go back because you need that little dot right there. And I'm going to move it right down to that node. And I'm going to move this one down to there, to basically an intersection. So now we have, look at all these boxes, but they disappear when you're off. So we've done the same thing, except for we don't have the stair step now. I don't know what his plan is, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that answers the question. Thank you for watching.